Hey guys, welcome to this video on Apple AirTag, and here I'll detail how to change your Apple AirTag battery. So if you have an Apple AirTag and you've been using it for a couple of years now, and now you discover that the battery is low or you no longer be able to locate your Apple AirTag whenever you missed it, then here I'm going to show you how to find a replacement battery and then replace your Apple AirTag battery with it. Mark you want to check out the store where you can easily get the original Apple AirTag battery. Otherwise, you might not get the correct one. And also, you want to check out your Apple AirTag size so that you know the size of battery to get for your Apple AirTag. So first, you need to get a battery for your Apple AirTag. Then after getting the battery, I'm going to walk you through how you can change the Apple AirTag battery in this video. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when you want to change Apple AirTag battery, you need to open the battery casing on your Apple AirTag. Then to do this, you just need to press this cover down and then turn it clockwise like this. So once you turn it like this, you're going to see the battery model you have in your Apple AirTag like this. So here I have the Duracell CR2032. So that is the Apple AirTag battery. Now you want to make sure this is the exact battery you get while replacing your Apple AirTag battery. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So all you just need to do is go ahead, open the new battery you got. This. So this is the same thing as Sony CR2032. Why this is Duracell 2032. So the follow-come Apple tag battery is Duracell. Why the one I got is Sony. Now you also want to compare the size of the batteries. So compare the size of the two batteries. Now if you take a look at the Apple AirTag battery, you're going to see some information at the back of the battery. So if you want to buy your Apple AirTag battery, make sure this is the information you look out for while buying the Apple AirTag battery. Now, once you get the new Apple AirTag battery, just go back, fix it again, press it like this. Then there are 3 holes on the Apple AirTag battery where you need to fix this perfectly. And then just go ahead and place the Apple AirTag battery cover on the AirTag like this. So once it enters, you're going to hear a chime, then go ahead, lock it. So you just need to lock it by rotating this. Now once it locks, you're going to hear a chime once you inserted the battery, and once you're done, the Apple Air battery will be successfully changed. Then you can now go to your iPhone. Now, when you're your iPhone like this, you just need to go to Find My, open it, then tap Items, click on your items, and try to see if the item is located on the maps. You can see I have my Apple AirTags on the maps. Then if you go ahead, just go ahead and play sound. Okay, you can hear that. There you go. So that is to tell you I have successfully changed my Apple AirTags battery. So that is all you need to do to change Apple AirTag battery. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.